How to put music on a USB drive from a laptop or PC. First, plug the USB drive into your laptop or PC. You'll see a notification that your computer has connected to the USB drive. And File Explorer. You'll see your USB drive here. Click on it. Open your music folder. To put music on the USB drive, select the music files and drag them to the USB drive. Or you can also copy the entire music folder to the USB drive. After putting the music on the USB drive, to safely remove it, right-click the USB drive. Select Eject. That's all it takes to put music on a USB drive from a laptop or PC.